Modern smartphones have become incredibly powerful, but they've also developed a problem that many people quietly accept. Over the past few years, flagship phones have become bigger, heavier, and filled with massive camera modules on the back. For photography enthusiasts, that might sound like a good thing. Bigger sensors and more advanced lenses can deliver amazing photos. But the downside is something we deal with every day: phones that feel bulky, top-heavy, and sometimes awkward to use. After spending a week using the Google Pixel Hun-A, it becomes clear that a smartphone doesn't always need huge hardware to deliver a great everyday experience. In fact, the Pixel Tuta solves one of the most annoying problems many modern smartphones have created. For years, flagship phones have pushed camera design to the extreme. Devices like the Google Pixel 10 Pro come with large camera visors across the back, while phones like the Vivo X300 Pro feature massive camera modules that almost look like a separate device attached to the phone. These designs exist for a reason. Bigger cameras mean better photography, but they also make phones feel unbalanced and uncomfortable. When you pick up the Pixel 10a, the difference is immediately noticeable. The phone feels surprisingly normal. Instead of a huge camera bump, the Pixel 10a has a much more modest camera setup. The back of the phone is nearly flat, without large protruding lenses or sharp edges. Running your hand across the back of the phone feels smooth and simple. It doesn't feel like several components glued together, it feels like one complete device. That simplicity brings a sense of nostalgia. It reminds many people of older smartphones that were designed primarily to be comfortable and practical. Another everyday issue modern phones create is something surprisingly simple: putting the phone in your pocket. Large camera bumps can catch on pocket seams, making it awkward to slide the phone in or out. This might sound like a small detail, but it happens dozens of times a day. With the Pixel 10a, that problem disappears. The phone slides into a pocket smoothly, without snagging or creating an uncomfortable bulge. It also doesn't feel like carrying a small brick in your pocket, which some flagship phones unfortunately do. But the biggest improvement appears when you place the phone on a desk or table. Many modern smartphones suffer from table wobble. Because of large camera bumps, the phone rocks back and forth whenever you touch the screen. This becomes frustrating if you're trying to reply to a message, check notifications, or type while the phone is sitting on a desk. The Pixel 10a fixes this problem completely. When placed on a flat surface, the phone stays perfectly stable. There's no rocking, no wobbling, and no clicking sound from the camera bump hitting the table. You can tap notifications, type messages, or even use the calculator without the device shifting around. This might sound like a small improvement, but it actually makes everyday interactions with the phone much more pleasant. Another reason for this comfort is the phone's balanced weight distribution. High-end flagship phones often place most of their weight near the camera module at the top of the device. This creates a top, heavy feel that can strain your hand during long use. The Pixel 10a avoids this issue by keeping a more balanced design. Weighing around 183 grams, the phone feels light and easy to hold. Whether it's in a front pocket, jacket pocket, or your hand, it stays comfortable and stable. Of course, the big question is whether you lose too much camera performance with this simpler design. Technically, the Pixel 10a does use a smaller camera sensor compared to the Pro models. That means you may not get the same level of natural background blur, also known as bokeh. The ultra-wide camera might also be slightly less sharp around the edges compared to flagship devices. But for most everyday photography, the Pixel 10a still performs very well. In fact, the simpler design might encourage you to use the camera more often. Because the phone feels lighter and easier to handle, pulling it out for quick photos becomes effortless. And that's an important point: the best camera is the one you actually want to use. The Google Pixel 10a proves that smartphones don't always need to follow the extreme flagship trend. Instead of chasing the biggest camera hardware possible, it focuses on balance, comfort, and everyday usability. It might not have the most advanced camera system in the world, but it delivers something just as valuable: a phone that feels designed for real human hands. For people tired of heavy devices and oversized camera bumps, the Pixel 10a might be a refreshing reminder that sometimes less really is more.